Hello again, and welcome to my How to Beat Your Imposter mini course. So, we're on day two today. I want to talk about how you can self aware the shit out of your imposter. You know, over the next few minutes, we walk through a super effective coaching exercise which will help you gain insight into your imposter feelings and develop strategies to overcome them. And then we will also create a deep, more meaningful understanding of this thing called the imposter syndrome. You ready? Okay, good. So as usual, I love to start off with a quote, and this is from my favorite Brené Brown. While self-doubt may whisper that you are an imposter, let your journal be the unwavering proof of your journey, revealing the authenticity in every triumph and trial. You know, now that we're here now, let's take a moment to understand, what imposter syndrome is and who it affects and why it's crucial to address it. So, we're getting into the understanding now of the imposter syndrome. So, it's a psychological phenomenon where individuals, despite evidence of their competence and success, harbor persistent feelings of self-doubt, fear of being as exposed as frauds. So it affects a wide range of people, from students to professionals in various fields, including engineering. So it's not just you. So don't worry, you're not alone. So these feelings of imposter are often accompanied by a sense of inadequacy and a fear that others will discover they are not as capable as they appear. As you see in this picture, it's that the imposter makes you feel like what you know everyone else already knows. But we want to move into a more realistic approach of that there's plenty of what you know that other people don't know, and vice versa. And there are certainly overlaps between what you know and what others know. So what I want you to start to recognize is that imposter syndrome is a common experience even among high achieving individuals. Like you see here, Tom Hanks, Ariana Huffington, the co-founder of the Huffington Post, Howard Schultz, CEO of Starbucks, and Sheryl Sandberg, COO of Facebook. Just to name a few. Even the high achievers struggle with this. So many successful people have openly admitted to grappling with these feelings throughout their careers. So normalizing imposter syndrome helps reduce the stigma associated with it and allows individuals to recognize that they are not alone in their struggles. So before we begin with the coaching exercise, let's consider some statistics around imposter syndrome. Studies suggest that up to 70% of people experience imposter feelings at some point in their lives. You know, so this phenomenon is actually not just limited by age, gender, or professional status. Making it actually a quite pervasive challenge that many individuals navigate. Now, with this understanding, we are transitioning into the coaching exercise. I encourage you to grab a notebook or open a document where you can start your journey of fighting your imposter by scripting your narrative, I call it. What I want you to do, I want you to set aside a few minutes each day over the next week to reflect on your experiences and emotions related to imposter syndrome. So I want you to start with step one, documenting moments of self-doubt. So when you have these moments, when you feel self-doubt or you're questioning your abilities, These could be instances at work, during meetings, while tackling a challenging project, or even in your personal life. Write down the thought and the feeling that arise when you experience this moment. And then you want to go to step two. You want to reflect on patterns and the triggers. As you journal each day, take your time to reflect on any patterns or recurring themes you're noticing in your thoughts and feelings. So, what triggers these moments of self doubt? Are there specific situations, people, or tasks that consistently evoke imposter feelings? By identifying patterns, you can gain a deeper understanding of the root causes of your imposter syndrome. So, and that leads me to the last step. Number three, explore those emotions. Explore them, all the emotions that are associated with your imposter feelings. Do you feel anxious, fearful, or overwhelmed? How do these emotions manifest in your behavior and interactions with others? Acknowledge and understand your emotional responses is a crucial step in addressing imposter syndrome. So, quickly, let's discuss the importance of the self awareness in tackling imposter syndrome. Self awareness allows you to recognize when imposter feelings arise and understand their impact on your thoughts, emotions, and behavior. And the thing is, by journaling regularly, you cultivate a greater sense of self awareness. It empowers you to challenge negative thought patterns and develop a healthier coping strategies. Yeah. To wrap this up, in conclusion, journaling is a powerful tool for confronting your imposter syndrome head on. By documenting your experiences, reflecting on patterns and triggers, and explore your emotions. With that, you can gain valuable insights into your imposter feelings and take proactive steps towards overcoming them. Remember to approach this exercise with compassion and curiosity, and don't hesitate to seek support if needed. And therefore, I say happy journaling, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.